Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to add MultiVAC Mainnet to MetaMask network. Alright, first of all you need to head to this article here. I will link it in the description. Then head over to your MetaMask. So go to here and click, and you can add custom, but in here as you can see we have to copy and paste here, so when we get to click it will go away. So we need to have it to expand view. Now it's open in the new tab. Then go to here and custom RPC, and then head back to copy all this info. And click save. And as you can see now we are on MultiVAC network. So let's get back. Now as you can see here it appears as MTV coin. Alright, now you can copy this here and you'll receive your MTV coins into the MetaMask wallet. Alright, you can also just click on here and you can see from here. Okay, if you want to head back to Ethereum mainnet, just click here and head back to Ethereum or whatever other network that you want to use. So this is the video, super simple and easy. I hope you liked this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you for watching.